Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Volvo XC90. First, find the charging port, usually on the front fender. Next, identify the correct charging cable for your vehicle and power source. It's important to confirm your charging station provides the right voltage and amperage for your car. This ensures a safe and efficient charging experience every time you plug in. Let's get started with the connection process. Now let's connect the charger. Begin by gently opening the charging port cover on your Volvo XC90. Take your charging cable and firmly insert it into the vehicle's port until you hear a click or feel it lock into place. Double-check that the connection is secure to prevent any interruptions during charging. A proper connection is key for a successful charge. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, is your car smelling a little less than fresh? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for keeping your ride smelling great. You can find the link and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once connected, you'll want to monitor the charging process. Your Volvo XC90 dashboard or infotainment screen will display the charging status and estimated time remaining. Always wait until the charging cycle is fully complete before disconnecting. When finished, press the release button, if applicable, and carefully remove the cable from your vehicle. Close the port cover to protect it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.